Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surima-chan. Just a few things before the video starts. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Start by standing up straight, facing the right. When you start to hear the music, begin bending your left knee and left elbow to bring your foot and arm up, then step over to the left on your left foot, face the camera, and slide the back of your left forearm across your forehead as you slide your right foot over to meet your left foot. Step back over to the right on your right foot as you look down and to the right, lower your left arm, and bring your left foot slightly off the ground. Bring your left foot down and begin sliding your right foot over to meet it again as you look at the camera and curve your right hand clockwise in front of your chest, palm facing to the left. Finish sliding your right foot next to your left foot as you continue curving your right hand clockwise until it is just above your right shoulder. Then look to the left quickly before looking back at the camera. Step back over to the right with your right foot, bending your right knee to the left before tilting your head to the right. Straighten your right leg and tilt your head back up, then swing your right arm counterclockwise until it is extended straight down and look down. Grab the inside of your right elbow with your left hand, then bend your right elbow to bring your right fist up near your right shoulder as you look down and a bit to the right. Bend your left elbow to bring your left fist up near your left shoulder as you look to the left a bit while still looking down. Bend your knees to the left as you lean down into the left while crossing your right arm over your left arm. Straighten your legs and face the camera as you move your arms out to either side, keeping your elbows bent. Return to your previous position before standing up and moving your arms out to either side again. Repeat these movements again. Quickly bring your left foot over to meet your right foot as you turn to face the right and bring the side of your left hand up to your forehead, palm facing down. Bring your left foot up a bit as you pivot to the left on your right foot so that you are facing the camera again, then bring your left foot back down a little bit away from your right foot. Lower your left arm and step in place on your right foot, then step forward with your left foot as you extend your right arm up and swing it forward and down, palm facing out while tilting your head to the right. Bring your left foot back to its previous position, then step out with your right foot as you extend your left arm before swinging it forward and down. Quickly bring your left hand behind your back as you step out to the right with your right foot and swing your right fist from your right shoulder down toward your right knee while looking in the same direction. Bring your left foot off the ground as you hop over to the left on your right foot, then bring your left foot down over to the left as you turn to face slightly to the left, look at the camera, and extend your left arm down so that your hand is near your left leg with your palm facing down. Then put your right hand on top of your left hand, making sure that your fingers aren't overlapping. Keep your hands together as you turn them so that your fingers move to opposite sides while you turn your left heel towards the camera, then return to your previous position. Keeping your hands together, bring them up near your chest as you turn to the right and bend your right knee to the right. Look to the right as you extend your arms straight out to the right and bring your left foot up to meet your right foot, then bend your left knee. Move your right hand counterclockwise around your head, ending near your right ear. As you look to the left, extend your left arm straight out to the left, and bend your right knee to the left. Straighten your right knee and bend your left knee as you look at the camera. Bring your palms together in front of your chest, and tilt your head to the left. Step in place on your left foot as you swing your right foot out to the right and then back while swinging your arms out to either side and back. Bring your right foot down lightly, then quickly hop in place on your right foot as you swing your left foot out to the left and back while bending your right elbow to bring your right fist near your left shoulder. Bring your left foot down just past the back of your right foot before quickly stepping in place on your right foot. Pull at the collar or front of your shirt as you hop in place on both feet. Lower your arms as you step over to the left on your left foot, then look to the left as you step behind your left foot with your right foot and bend your left elbow to bring your left fist out to the left. Step back over to the right with your right foot, then swing your arms out and up until they meet above your head as you slide your right foot closer to your left foot. Step forward a bit on your right foot as you cross your arms in front of your chest, elbows angling up, while turned to the left and looking down. Quickly throw your arms up and out to either side as you look at the camera and tap your left foot down behind your right foot. Step back over to the left with your left foot, then tap your right foot down behind your left foot as you put your right hand behind your back and move your left hand over to the left, palm facing up and left elbow bent. Step back over to the right with your right foot as you move your right hand over to the right, palm facing up and right elbow bent, while stepping slightly behind your right foot with your left foot. Step back on your right foot as you cross your left arm over your right arm in front of your chest. Then bring your left foot back to meet your right foot as you switch the position of your hands and rest your right hand, palm facing up, in your left palm. Look down as you step forward on your right foot, then look up as you swing your arms down, then out to either side and up, before bringing your left foot up to meet your right foot as you put both hands on your chest with your left hand on top of your right hand. Step back on your left foot while turning your right heel to the left. Now step back on your right foot as you turn your left heel to the right and extend your right arm straight out toward the camera, palm facing up. Step back on your left foot, turning your right heel to the left once again as you bring your right fist above your head and look to the right. Step back on your right foot as you look to the left and swing your right arm out to the right and down. Look at the camera as you step forward on your right foot and begin swinging your right arm up. Bring your left foot up to meet your right foot as you finish swinging your right arm up so that your right fist ends near your right shoulder. Swing your left arm up and out to the left, then down while leaning slightly to the right as you step over to the right on your right foot before bringing your left foot over to meet it. Step back over to the left with your left foot as you turn slightly to the left and extend your right arm down and to the left with your index finger extended. Then cross your left arm over your right arm as you extend it down and to the right with your index finger extended and turn slightly to the right. Bend your elbows to pull your hands in near your waist, palm sides facing up, but both index fingers still extended. Turn slightly to the left as you cross your right arm over your left arm, keeping your elbows bent. Turn to face the camera again as you move your arms out to either side with your fingers spread out and your elbows bent. Move your arms down, then back up slightly. Bring your left foot off the ground as you lower your left arm and quickly swing your right hand up near your ear, keeping your elbow bent, while looking to the right before lowering your right arm and left foot. Step in place on your right foot, then bring your left foot over to meet it as you punch straight out to the right with your right fist. Step back to the left on your left foot as you turn to the right and extend both arms straight out in front of you before bringing your right foot back to meet your left foot and lowering your arms. Look at the camera and step towards it with your left foot as you swing your left arm counterclockwise, then bring your right foot up to meet your left foot, turning slightly to the left as you do so, and swing your right arm counterclockwise until your hands come together in front of your chest, with your right elbow angling up and your left elbow angling down. Tap your right foot in place twice as you punch up with your right fist twice. Then continue tapping your right foot in time with the beat for 2 counts as you slowly move your arms apart so that your right arm extends up and to the right and your left arm extends down and to the left. Tap your right foot in place 2 more times as you move your arms clockwise to switch their positions. Turn slightly to the right as you bring your left foot up to tap down next to your right foot twice as your left arm is extended straight up, palm facing the camera, and your right arm is down near your right side. Step back on your left, then right foot as you begin lowering your left hand. Then tap your left foot down near your right foot twice as your left hand moves near your left shoulder with your fingers spread out. Extend your left arm out toward the camera as you step back on your left, then right foot. Tap your left foot down slightly behind your right foot 2 more times. Step over to the right on your right foot, then bring your left foot over to meet it as you punch straight up with your right fist twice. Step back over to the left on your left foot with your arms slightly away from your sides, then quickly kick your right foot back, cross your arms in front of you, and look to the left before returning to your previous position. Step in place on your right foot and tap your left foot down next to your right foot before repeating the previous movement. Step in on your right foot and bend your right elbow to bring your right fist back near your right side as you extend your left arm out to the left. Kick out toward the camera with your left foot as you punch straight up with your right fist, then step back on your left foot as you punch straight up with your left fist. Lower your left arm as you bring your right foot back near your left foot. Tap your left foot down to the right so that your legs are crossed as you extend your right arm down and to the right, then step back over to the left on your left foot as you extend your left arm down and to the left while bending your right elbow to bring your right fist up above your right shoulder. Step in a bit with your left foot, then swing your right arm down and to the left as you spin to the left on your left foot until you are facing to the right. Bring your right foot down to meet your left foot as you look at the camera and begin swinging your left arm counterclockwise. Move your left arm until it is extended straight out toward the camera, palm facing out, as you step towards the camera a bit with your left foot. Turn your back to the camera as you slowly move your left arm clockwise until it is straight out in front of you. This movement should last about 4 counts. Step forward with your left foot as you bend your left elbow to bring your hand in. Quickly turn to face the camera, keeping your feet planted so that your legs cross when you turn, and pull your left elbow over to the left as you bend your knees. Stand up straight and move your left arm to the right a bit as you bend your right elbow to bring your right forearm in front of your left wrist. Bend your knees again as you look up and extend your left arm up, then slowly swing it down to the left. End by turning to the left, bringing your right fist in front of your face, covering it with your left hand and looking down and to the left as you bring your right foot around to meet your left foot and bend your right knee to the left.